How to install Netgear range extender. To begin with, unbox the networking device and check that necessary items are present and are not torn or broken. Next, locate the central and ventilated area to put your extender. Make sure the router and extender are placed closer to each other or in the same room. Afterward, check that the router and modem are connected appropriately. Further, plug in the range extender to an electrical outlet and power it on. Confirm that the power LED is turned on and lights up green. If it is not green, then press the power button to turn it on. After the Netgear range extender installation, it is time to check that the Netgear extender works fine. For this, locate the WPS button on the router and then on the range extender. Afterward, press and hold the WPS knob on the router and then on the range extender within 2 minutes. Next, check that the blinking green LED on the range booster turns into solid green. This shows that the Netgear extender is working fine.